In this video, I'm gonna help you to add sound in TikTok. I'll walk you through in the process step by step, so make sure you stick till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get straight into it. Firstly, open up your TikTok app and make sure to log in to your account. Now to create your TikTok video, tap on add at the bottom of your screen. Now in here, you can record a video or you can upload a video from your gallery. In here, you can see add sound at the top of your screen. Tap on it and then sound menu will be open and then choose the sound from the menu. If you know the name of the sound, you can search it by typing on the search bar. You can tap on a sound to preview a clip and can choose the sound. Now after choosing a sound, press on tick next to your sound. Here you can see your choose sound on the top of your screen. Now if you change your mind and want to choose another one, then again tap on the music you have chosen and again you will be taken to sound menu. Now choose the one and again press on tick. Now if you want to upload, then tap on next, or if you want to keep that post on your story, then tap on your story and then your video will be posted with the sound. And that's how easily you can add sound in TikTok. I hope you enjoyed this video and was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. I will be back soon with more.